how to set any song as ringtone on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for Pixabay. Now in the interface that you will be led to, scroll through and select the music tab first, and now scroll through and select the music that you want to download and set as ringtone. Or you can also tap on the search bar and search for the music that you want to set as ringtone. Once you have opened the music, tap on the download button you see there and then tap on the download button again in the confirmation pop-up that appears. Further, once the download is complete, tap on the download icon in the search bar you see there at the bottom and then select the downloads option. Further, open the ringtone that you just downloaded and then tap on the share icon on the bottom right of your screen. You will see the save to files option, tap on that. Now further, go ahead and open files on your iPhone and further navigate to the music or the ringtone that you just downloaded and tap on it. Now tap on the share icon again at the bottom right of your screen and scroll down and you will see the option for use as ringtone, and with this your ringtone will be changed as you can see here on the screen. So this is how you can set any song as ringtone on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.